Seed Studio Raspberry Pi 5 Starter Kit Review. 16 GB RAM, real performance and setup results. Ever start a Raspberry Pi project only to spend 2 hours just getting the OS installed? You download the image, flash the card, troubleshoot boot errors, then realize your case doesn't fit or your Pi throttles within minutes because you skipped proper cooling. I've been there, staring at a blinking cursor at midnight, frustrated and stuck before the actual project even begins. Sound familiar? That setup friction kills momentum. You're excited to code, build, or learn, but instead you're wrestling with configuration files and compatibility lists, drowning in forum threads about which power supply won't fry your board. The mental fog sets in. You start wondering if cheaper boards or pre-built kits actually deliver, or if you'll just waste money and time again. Then everything changed when I found the Seed Studio Raspberry Pi 5 Starter Kit with 16 GB RAM. Don't just pick any Raspberry Pi starter kit. Make sure it has pre-installed OS on a high-capacity card and official active cooling so you never waste time on setup headaches and thermal throttling that literally everyone complains about again. I opened the box, snapped the Pi 5 into the official case, inserted the 128 GB micro SD card that already had the 64-bit Raspberry Pi OS loaded, connected my monitor and keyboard, and powered on. 30 seconds later, I was at a full desktop. No downloads, no flashing, no configuration, just instant computing. Here's what surprised me. The 2.4 GHz quad-core Cortex-A76 processor delivers genuinely responsive desktop performance. Web browsing is smooth, code compiles 3 times faster than the Pi 4, and I can run multiple Docker containers, an IDE, and a browser simultaneously without slowdowns. The 16 GB of RAM means memory is never the bottleneck. The official case's active cooling fan keeps the CPU at full speed under sustained load. No thermal throttling, no performance drop, just consistent power when you need it most. This isn't just my experience. The consensus is clear across the maker and developer community. A prominent tech education reviewer noted that university labs are standardizing on the 16 GB Pi 5 configuration because students can run full development environments without the memory warnings that derailed projects on lesser configurations. A popular home server influencer demonstrated running 6 simultaneous Docker containers, Pi-hole, Home Assistant, Nextcloud, Vault Warden, and more on this exact kit, all while maintaining full gigabit network throughput thanks to the Pi 5's dedicated Ethernet bus that finally delivers true wired speed. User forums consistently highlight the preloaded SD card as the single feature that saves the most frustration, especially for classrooms and first-time users who just want to start learning immediately. The biggest objection I hear is cost. Why not buy the bare board and save money? Here's the reality. Sourcing compatible cooling separately, buying the right power supply, and flashing your own SD card saves maybe $20, but costs hours of research and setup time, plus the real risk of buying incompatible components. And looking ahead, the Pi 5's PCIe interface means you can add NVMe SSD storage or AI accelerators when you're ready to scale your projects, future-proofing your entire investment for years of growth and experimentation. Imagine starting your next build with zero setup anxiety. Just power on and create. That's the daily reality with the Seed Studio Raspberry Pi 5 Starter Kit. Thousands of developers, educators, and makers are already running home servers, coding projects, and automation systems on this exact configuration. The transformation is simple, from frustration and compatibility guesswork to instant productivity and sustained performance. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment below. Everything you need, perfectly matched, ready to run. Let's build something great together.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.